Model, 2010 Land Rover Discovery 4 3.0 TDV6 HSE. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 185,964. Engine, 2,993 cc 3.0 Lieutenant TDV6B. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Straightforward server replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, full service history, reversing camera, air con, 2 keys, cruise control, sat-nav, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.